感谢上映哦，咱继续来关心美国的达美航空一台飞行机伫加拿大的多伦多国际机场降落的时，可能是受到天气的影响哦。飞行机冰180度，飞行机顶头包括4个机组人员，计共是有80个人，这事故是造成18人轻重伤。
这只倒伫跑道的飞行机，伊的腹肚对天，会当看出伊伫降落的时阵，有可能发生真恐怖的状况，嘛有人受伤送病院。
Yeah, we've got it. The aircraft is upside down and burning.
机场的官员讲，伫飞行机顶有4个机组员，76个乘客，其中有22个拢是加拿大籍的，其他的是国际旅客。
First and foremost, there was no loss of life. And this is in due part to our heroic and trained professionals. That happened at approximately 2:30 p.m. Is Delta Airlines Flight 4819 from Minneapolis to Toronto, operated by subsidiary Endeavour Air, was involved in a single aircraft accident upon landing at Toronto Pearson.
根据加拿大气象局的资料，机场迄当阵是咧靠风势，风速每点钟51公里，瞬间阵风是每点钟65公里，气温是摄氏零下8.6度。 机场方面表示讲，这个意外调查搁伫初步的阶段，即嘛无方便来评论。
Upon arrival, my team conducted fire suppression. Self-evacuation was already taking place. What we can say is the runway was dry, and there was no crosswind conditions.
但是对画面顶悬看到的是飞行机规个倒伫个大细拢砍掉的涂骹顶悬。英国广播公司 BBC 记者尤西夫讲，消防局长的记者会结束了后，官员是宣布讲，迄天美国经新代志的发展，有真侪守伫遐的媒体拢感觉真失望。机场方面讲，迄当阵是因为搁在应对大风和真寒气温，顶礼拜6礼拜的暴风雪，和跑道的积雪22公分。航空公司已经拍拼，互另外班机会当起飞啊。公司新闻吴文玲编译。